What's up, everybody? This is Travis Laska,
Notification volume set to 0%.
What's up, everybody? This is Travis Laska, and I'm back with a new video today. And I actually just got this new sound system that I want to overview, and I figured why not do it. So this is the Licky Eye white noise machine. And so now why not, let's get started. So starting from the top, you have your speakers. Then if you go down below the speakers, there's all your buttons. And the first one on the left is to change the nature sounds. The one in the middle is to change the different fan sounds, which we'll get into that later. And then the button on the right is for the different white noise sounds, which we'll also get into those later as well. So now, going down to the bottom, you have your timer, which is kind of hard to really make out if you're visually impaired because it's flat, but I can actually make it out because of my thumbs. Then you have your volume keys, down, up, all that fun stuff. And then, of course, your power switch. Now going below that is the headphone jack. And then down at the very bottom is your compartment where you plug in the power cord. So, as you know, this thing is not battery operated. You do have to have a power cord, so that's the only downside to it. But other than that, it's a great machine. So let's get started. So I'm going to click the power button. And let's see what the first sound is. Okay, that's forest birds. Next is your ocean sounds. After that is lake waves. Summer night. Fire. Train. Ticking clock. Thunderstorm. Now, as you can tell, that's very clear. That thunder right there. I'll let you hear it again. And now, next is wind. And then rain. Babbling brook. Creek. And as you can tell, that's the hush sound. Dripping water. Sure, this sounds familiar. This is the heartbeat. Can't really tell what this is. I want to say it's a slow train. Lullaby. Another lullaby. And then right after that, as you heard, that's back to the beginning. So now we're going to move on to the fan sounds. Fan low. Medium. High. Small fan. And this has a lot of different sounds. Sounds like a generator. Can't really tell what that is either. Air conditioner. And then back to the beginning. So now we're going to move on to the white noise. That sounds like a kind of like a spaceship. Waterfall. More waterfalls. So that right there are all the sounds. And you can set it for, if you press it once, that's for 30 minutes. Twice is for an hour. 3 times is for 90 minutes. And then the 4th time is back to pretty much endless sounds. So for those of you who are looking to get a sound machine or any type of white noise machine for, if you're looking for one for your child or looking for one to just simply meditate like I do, I highly recommend the Licky Eye White Noise Sound Machine to anybody because it has a lot more sounds than a lot of your standard white noise machines. But like I said, the only downside is that you need a power cord. But it's a great sound system and I highly recommend it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright? This is Travis Laska. Everybody have a great night, great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Stop button.